The comments on this video wrote themselves. This brave pup is tiptoeing. Watch the ears. The ears know exactly what is going on. This absolute athlete tracks the pink target, launches into orbit, and pops it mid-air with pure focus. Mission accomplished.
We have all been there. Especially that face at the end. Look at this tiny German Shepherd puppy trying to act like a massive guard dog while stalking his owner through the kitchen. He is absolutely committing to the bit.
Everything was fine until it absolutely was not. This spicy orange girl is terrified of everyone except this chunky boy. But he flew way too close to the sun on night 1. Now he just respectfully loops Jim Halpert for. And this is why the internet exists. It is a full-blown kitten buffet, but someone forgot to tell them that sharing is caring. Look at that tiny orange one completely boxed out. Absolute feast, zero manners.
You ready, Maui?
This is me every Monday morning, and I will not explain further. This little orange kitten is completely losing its mind trying to fight its own reflection on a broken floor. Total system overload. Stay strong, little buddy, we are.
Un poema para mi mami. Mami querida, mami adorada, te quiero más que una pierna adobada. Tú me das mi pollito y cariñitos de amor y también me dejas subir al sillón. Yo te dejo pelitos y popolinas de olor y todo esto lo hago siempre en tu honor. Porque yo sé que todo lo que viene de mí, tú siempre con alegría lo vas a recibir. Y ay, mami, nuestro amor es tan sincero que no hay humano que le ponga un pero.
This is me every Monday morning, and I will not explain further. This little guy literally screamed his way into a job promotion. He went from crying at the door to owning the whole electronics shop. Talk about a corporate.
May dry food ka pa. Sabi yan.
Alas 8 na rin naman. Oo nga, mag-alas 8. Oo. Ikaw na dyan? Oo, nagsumamba yung si Rex eh. Yung
Honey bun, sugar plums, humpy, humpy, humpy.
Ten out of 10, no notes. These two are.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Em không?
Dạ các ao,
Có thích gì không?
dạ các treo.
Ừ, giỏi quá.
ngày nắng ấm ta bước cùng nhau, bão giông vẫn bước cùng nhau, bạc ốc vẫn ở cạnh nhau, chẳng bao giờ thay đổi đâu, bởi vì đã hứa câu hứa một đời sẽ mãi bên nhau không rời, tình yêu này ta đâu cần nghĩ tới.
Sylvia?
And this is why the internet exists.
Have to have.
This fluffy little tuxedo cat is clearly planning something devious in the bathroom.
Okay.
Look at that suspicious side eye. He completely breaks the sound barrier, escaping the scene of the
Right here.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. These stray cats literally found a sidewalk buffet line. No manners, just pure snacking. It is definitely a blessing, unless you have to clean.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love? Oh my God! To fall, watching you stand alone. All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Did they know we were all going to see this? This magnificent floof is literally sitting here pondering life choices like an absolute boss. The posture.
Please, put your penis away.
No.
I'm not gonna ask you again. Put your penis away.
I am who I am.
Testando meu nome.
Did they know we were all going to see this?
Estadinhas
This absolute ninja cat thinks she's way too cool for school.
Gatos de apartamento.
Bridges?
Não tentem isso em
Please, that's for weak
de
humans.
1010 avos sobre
Watch her completely clear the entire gap in one single leap. Talk about.
Uma gata ninja, não um humano fraco que precisa de pontes para atravessar. Assistam e aprendam como se faz uma travessia de verdade. Toca 5-10 avos. A ideia foi boa, mas eu sou a lei e faço as regras.
Million views later and it still gets me. This tiny kitten is fighting a losing battle against nap time. Absolute snooze fest.
Hello.
Stop what you are doing and watch this right now. This tiny kitten is using its sibling as a literal mattress. Talk about maximum comfort with Zero.
You will share this. I know you will. Look at this distinguished gentleman conducting his morning yacht inspection. He's plotting to buy the whole Mediterranean with catnip. Then, wait, did he just faceplant into the camera? Stay.